Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Odyssey door handle. First, you'll need to access the inner workings of your door. Start by using a flat blade screwdriver to carefully pry off the trim pieces around the door pull and handle. Next, locate and remove any Phillips head screws holding the door panel in place. Then, gently pry up the window switch panel and disconnect its electrical connectors. Finally, lift the entire door panel upwards and off to reveal the inside of the door. With the door panel removed, your next step is to disconnect the door handle cables. These are typically held by small retaining clips that you can carefully pop off. After that, gently peel back the vapor barrier, which is usually secured with an adhesive, to gain access to the inside of the door. Be sure to unplug any electrical connectors that are attached to the exterior handle assembly, as these often control features like smart entry. Now, let's focus on the exterior handle's fasteners. Inside the door jamb, you'll find a small black cap. Carefully remove it. Behind this cap, there's a 10mm bolt that needs to be loosened and removed. Be careful not to drop it inside the door. Additionally, look for any other Phillips head screws that might be securing the handle assembly. Once these are out, you can typically slide the end cap of the exterior handle straight out. For the final step, with all fasteners and connections removed, you can now slide the main exterior handle assembly towards the rear of the vehicle. This action will release it from its mounting points. Gently feed any remaining wires through the door opening as you pull the handle free. Remember, reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. Ensure all cables, electrical connectors, and fasteners are securely reattached for proper function.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.